Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be making these, you already see, these sweet potato pies. Let me tell you, I love sweet potato pie, especially during the holidays. Thanksgiving is tomorrow. Yes, Thanksgiving is tomorrow, so I made my pies the day before and I said, why not record it and let the people see how I make my sweet potato pies. So yes, honey, get into these pies. Yes, yes, and yes. So if you would like to see how I made these beautiful pies, continue watching. Also, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Tell your girl happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays. You know, all of that sweet stuff. But yeah, let's get into this video. Once again, it is beginners friendly. It does not take that much time. Yeah, down below in the description box, I'm going to leave you all the ingredients and everything that I use to make this sweetness. So, let's get into this video, honey. Alright, so right here I have 4 sweet potatoes. They're already boiled. I'm going to show you how I peeled them. I did 5. No, I did 6, but I don't think I'm going to keep 6. So this is what I do. I cut the end. And then it should just peel so easily off. Okay. Peels right off. Like this. Take that off. Any dark spots you want to take off. See? Oop, I don't know if I'm going to do it. These potatoes I found were freaking huge. Yeah, I'm cutting most of it. So, peel it just like so. You see how it peels right off? Easy. Alright, so now we're going to add the fillings. We're going to put in a stick and a half of salted butter. I'm going to add in 1 can of the evaporated milk because I have so many sweet potatoes, so I want to make sure everything comes out good. My son is helping me, guys. I am going to add in 1 cup of sugar. I may add more sugar once I'm done blending and I taste. If I feel like it's not sweet enough, then I'll add in some more sugar. But for right now, we're just going to do a cup. A half cup of dark brown sugar. Go ahead. So because I have, how many? 8? I had 6 sweet potatoes. I'm gonna add in 5 eggs. So I like to put all of my stuff in at once and stir it. If you want to do one at a time and stir each thing that you put in, that's up to you, but I don't. No. Alright, now I'm going to add in some ground allspice, ½ teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And a ½ teaspoon of nutmeg. You want to be careful with nutmeg because nutmeg is strong as hell. So you don't want to put too much. Go ahead. Right? I lied. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Go. Okay. Add in a little pinch of salt to balance things out, and a little bit of flour. 2 teaspoons of flour. Matter of fact, 1, 3. Do it. Guys, I didn't even mix this yet and it already smells good. I love me some sweet potato pie. I already told my boyfriend he better not eat up all this pie before Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is tomorrow. Alright. Let's blend, baby. You don't want your sweet potato pie to be runny, and you also don't want it to be too thick. Let's take a taste test. I can only find a fork right now. Also, when you put in your flour, you want to make sure you blend your sweet potato mix up real good, because you do not want to have some pie or have someone take a bite of your pie and they take a bite of flour. That is not cool. So you want to make sure you blend that flour real good. Okay? Okay. Test. Let's see if we need to add anything. That tastes good, but I'm about to add some more sugar. The yellow thing. I'm about to add some more sugar and a little bit more of ground cinnamon. So that I can give y'all accurate stuff, I'm going to use a cup. I'm going to do a cup and a half. Alright? Because y'all saw I did a cup. And my son's going to add a ½ cup of sugar. Alright. And now we're going to blend that up, y'all. Don't forget the measurements of everything will be down below, because as you can see, I end up adding more stuff. So I'm going to make sure the description box will have everything to the T. Okay? Okay. Another test. Yes, I washed my fork. That, yeah. That's
9 out of 10.
Perfect. That's good. So this is what you want your sweet potato pie to look like. I mean your sweet potato pie filling. See? Blend it well. Nice and sweet, and I can taste that. It's nice and sweet. I can taste the spices. Now we're gonna get our pie crust and put the filling into the pie crust. No, I do not make my own pie crust. I ain't that good now at baking. I don't know how to make my own pie crust. So I will be using store-bought pie crust. Hold on. Alright, so here's the pie crust that I will be trying today. I have the Pillsbury Pet Ritz pie crust. This is a deep dish. And then this is the regular pie crust. So let's get to filling. And I also have my oven on 400 degrees. So I had that on the whole time that I was making the filling. One of these days I'm going to learn how to make my own pie crust. And then I don't have to do it this way. But for right now, we're about to use this. We're going to let's see if we can make 3 pies. Let's see. Because I want to make a pie for me, for my house, a pie for my 2 friends. I used to make a pie for me and my mom before she passed away. So now I'm going to make it and give it one to my 2 friends. You see, I'm trying to be extra careful with this damn pie crust. Alright, so here's my pie crust. This is the deep dish ones, and that's the regular one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So let's fill these babies up. Sorry guys, my dog is in the back asleep, and sweetheart is really snoring. That one. My son is helping. Alright, so you see what I did to this one? You don't want to... Hold on. You don't want to fill it too much. So then you go like this. Shake it. To get that baby intact, okay? You see that? You in my business? Don't do that. Don't do that. You see me. You see the pie. You see that sweet potato pie, okay? Don't play with me. Don't play with me.
Hey, ma'am. You in my business? Don't do that. The fuck?
Because you all up in my business. All up in my business. All up in my pie business. Let's fill this pie up. I'll let you be in my business real quick. I might have enough for 4. We gon' see, baby. Swoop that over there. Then my other one. I do have a 4th one for another one, because I think this is gonna make 4 pies. We're gonna see in a minute, baby. Still got a little bit of mix left, but we ain't gonna use all of that mix. We're gonna use this right here. So do you see this goodness up over her? Do you see this? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This. Look at all that goodness. Whoop. Yes, baby. Now they're gonna go in the oven. Alright, so now I'm gonna put these babies. You see that greatness. Put these babies in the oven for about a good 50 minutes on 400, and I'll show you what they look like when they come out. Okay? Okay. Our pies are finished. I like my pies to be nice and brown and good inside. I don't like light looking pies. So my 4 pies are done. I'm gonna let them cool off. And my 2 friends are gonna get their pies tonight. But yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have the best holiday ever with your family. If you try this recipe, give me a thumbs up. And leave a comment down below and let me know that you made this. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at lavishLooks_by Like I said in my previous video, if you guys have watched it, that I am getting close to my 1,000 subscribers and my hours watched. Once I hit that 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. In order for you to be able to enter that giveaway, you have to be following me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna put one more easy rule. So guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram. And yeah, you already know. Until next time, be happy, be blessed, and be safe. Bye.